What is good, YouTube? How's everybody doing today? My name is Jay, and I'm here to teach you guys about stocks. So today is 16 out of 30. I couldn't film yesterday because I got home really late. I got home really late, so I'm doing this today. Good thing that I'm doing it today because it's the weekend. Stock market's closed. Nothing too crazy, but the market did have a horrible day on Friday. So let's review it. Apple is down $4.28, down 3% on the day, 138.20. So within this whole week itself, so if you look at the daily, so when did the week start? Like probably around here. It was 150 ish. I remember it was 150, 150, and now it's at 138. That's a big move, guys. That's crazy. Um, so let's get to it. Let's break it down and see what is up. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna hide all EMAs. We're going to see what is up with this stock. So we have some support levels at 136, 133, 129. So we have to anticipate that it could come down a little bit more. Um, this is actually quite crazy because we haven't seen Apple dip this far since last year. Like right here in this area, 2021 right here. Apple dipped from 182, dropped all the way to 155, and that's like a big move. That's like a $30 move. Um, this was like during COVID. This is when the drop happened. Now we're seeing another big drop from 178 all the way down to 138. That's like a $40 move. If you guys bought puts for like next year, whatever, that'll be crazy. Um, but yeah, we could definitely see that it's a big drop from here. If I'm being honest with you guys, let me see. Just back it up just a tad. So looking at longer term, where'd it go? Oh, looking at previously, like before, it bounced off this area. So you guys see right here, it's in this area on 138, 139. So we scroll back to 2021 in October, we can see that it bounced off at like the 737 area. This is October, by the way. You guys can see the date like right at the bottom, right here. Yeah. So it did bounce off and bounced off really good. So if I back it up just a tad, it bounced from like the 138 all the way to like the 180s, and then like it rejected that area and then it declined. Um, I'm not really okay. So I'm anticipating still a little bit bears coming in, but like in my honest opinion, which is what I'm going to do. So I already bought some calls for Apple in November/December. It's down by a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna average down. I'm gonna put more calls into it because I believe that this could easily just bounce. And if you guys, let me break this down for you guys. So you guys see RSI. RSI is at 23.79. Yo, 23.7. That is a buy opportunity in my opinion. Just looking at the RSI. Let's look at the indicators. Let's see what's up with this stock. So, oh wow, sorry. So indicators are telling me right now. So, it's kind of bad. The 50 and 100 EMA cross. I'm gonna add one more EMA just for confirmation. I like adding like the 200 EMA. So let me change this up to 200 EMA. Let me I have to type it. Okay. It's not allowing me to put the 200 EMA. I don't know why. Let's just reset it. So this is gonna be 200. I don't know why it's not allowing me to put 200. I don't know why. Alright, so what was the EMA that I had? It was the 100. It was the 50. It was 5, 10, 50, 20. And this is the 30. I'll just put 130. Yeah. Um, Let me redo these image because I kind of messed up on it. So 20, 50, 100. I gotta change the colors too. Let's not worry about that now. I guess we'll worry about it later. So yeah, the 50 and the 100 crossed already, which is still a sign of bearish. It's about to be bearish momentum coming. Um, yeah, bearish momentum should be coming. I anticipate a even bigger drop or more of a pullback. You see, for example, when the 50 and the 100 cross right here, it moved up from like the 160 area all the way to 170, 180. So I can definitely anticipate this to drop even further. I would see this as a support right here, like the 128 mark, the 137 mark. That's a support too. I could definitely see like a little drop, more of a drop. The whole market's down too. Like if you guys look at SPY itself, so SPY itself is down bad right now. Like SPY is down all the way. It broke yearly lows. So yearly lows is basically like, so like last year the lowest it's gone to was like 360, and now it's already below 360. So it's like it's yearly lows. So like a lot of people are panicking right now. They're like, yo, it's crazy. I don't really panic. I see this as an opportunity in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? But let's see what is up. Let's add indicators to see on the hourly. I like looking also at the 4 hour just for like a longer confirmation, and we could definitely see that these cross right here, which led to bearish momentum. Excuse me. A bearish momentum right here, 157, and it did do a nice drop all the way down. Oh, excuse me. I swear this weather is getting me. Excuse me again. This weather is getting me sick right now. Hourly, let's break it down. I'm so sorry, guys. My allergies and whatever is going crazy. RSI is at 19.98. What did I say? I said RSI could drop even further. Now let's back it up. Let's look at the RSI from the bottom. RSI could still drop to like 15 areas. 15. Lowest it drops is 9. I don't think it'll drop to 9 though. I think it can drop to like 15. It's still possible. I want to wait till Monday to see like what the outcome is, but I'm gonna start getting calls like around this whole area, like the 130s area. Like I'll get it a little low. I wanted to drop just a little bit more, and then I'll start getting more calls. Yeah, but I'm still so like for like the next month and a half, I'm a little bit bullish on it, but like towards now, it's short term. I'm very bearish because there's still a lot of momentum to happen. There's a lot of gap ups that it has to fill. For example, it has to fill. It needs to fill this gap up. It needs to fill this gap up right here. Well, I think it filled it actually. Let me see. Yeah, I filled it. Oops. So it has one gap up. It has another gap up. Where is it? Right here. This is the gap up too. I remember I deleted all the drawings, so I have to redraw like the triangles and everything. Rectangle, excuse me. So there's a gap up there. So far, there's only 2 gap ups that I've seen so far. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, I'm anticipating a little bit of more pullback. It's just crazy though how like everybody's panicking right now. You know what it is though? So like when people invest means like you're putting money into the market and you're leaving it there. You're not touching it at all. So like let's just say I put $100 down into like let's just say Apple for example. Like I believe in Apple and everything like that. Down $100 now. Like depending on when you invested it, you would have lost a little bit of money. And what people are doing right now, like they're panicking because it's like they're putting money in, and right now all the markets, everything's bearish right now. Like if you would have invested like around this area, the 170, like right on the top, and you wrote it down all the way down here, you would have lost a lot of money. But the smarter investors are actually buying. Like they're doing the opposite. They're like, yo, this is a buying opportunity. Let me just start buying some stocks up. Let me get all this, money. Because once this bear market is over and the bull market comes in, the bull market is strong. Like it bounced. This is a bigger bounce. Like from here up, that's like a 30% move versus from here down. You know, um, I would always say like play both sides. Nothing too crazy. Just make sure like you guys look at the market before like getting into any options, calls, puts, anything like that. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, just hit me up. My DMs are always free. And yeah, let's get to it. So I'm expecting a little bit of pullback and then a bounce into a bull market. Because bear markets, they last, but they don't really last that long per se. Um, but let's get to it. There's not gonna be a video on the weekend because the market's obviously closed. So I'm gonna do a day 17 on Monday, starting Monday. Hope you guys have a good one. This is a little longer than usual. I'm sorry, guys. Hope you guys enjoy it. Any questions, comments, concerns, just hit my DMs. My DMs are always free. And yeah, let's get it. Have a good one, guys.